Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing some capsule toys and some collectible items that I picked up recently. And before we get started, I gotta show you guys this foldable eye mat I got from Taiwan. And it's available on Amazon. And honestly, I have to say Capsule Toys is one of my favorite things to collect. They're just super fun to open because you never know what you're getting until you pop one open. They're really affordable, which is awesome if you're a collector like me. And all of these just don't come with any instructions, and you just have to figure out how to build it yourself. I guess there's a website that you can look for the manual. Scroll through the online menu to find the part and model number. Right. I've never built an egg guy Gundam before, and it's so cute. If nothing is falling off or coming loose, I'll probably take it to work. This GP01FB Gundam looks great, but I'm having trouble keeping the legs from falling off. I got some of these back all the way from Japan, and others are from my visits to local hobby stores. I'm so tired already. Last one. These capsule models are made from a softer, probably lower cost plastic, and the sakus remind me of the Ninja Turtles. I didn't record myself building the Ninja Turtles, but here's how they turned out. And now we're opening these boxes. The G-Frame FA, the Zaku, GM, and RX-78. There's a QR code on the box. Just scan it to get the manual. Okay, and this is the frame and this is just the armor. But you can actually build it without the frame. Let's make things easier without the frame now. Here's my favorite GM. Did I tell you guys that when I first started this hobby, all that I knew was GM, Zaku, and RX-78? The plastic looked kind of greenish. It reminds me of those glow-in-the-dark plastic. Can you tell me what is this for? It's such a hustle to take off all these armor pieces. I was really excited to build this GM since it's one of my favorites. Unfortunately, I can only show you guys halfway through. I didn't realize my camera battery died midway. And I got this neon green color strike Gundam at Agama Hobby the other day. Yummy. Tastes really good. And it's just the entry grade strike Gundam. I think I've seen this color in Gundam base before. This entry grade strike Gundam comes with 7 runners and 3 special stickers. Not sure what you guys would do with this bucket, but this is just the right size for mini trash bin. What do you think of this neon green strike Gundam? Honestly, I'm not really into the color. That's all for today's unboxing, and thanks for watching today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Your feedback is always appreciated, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next one.